Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel Manikansan Study Mantra MSM. Nowadays, as you all know, that I am providing online classes for Luit International Academy, Bokakhat. In previous video, up to previous videos, we have discussed 5 important practice times regarding subtraction from our book Cambridge Learn, right? Now we will discuss the last practice time, that is my practice time 5, MPT 5, my practice time 5, which is totally based on what? Word problems, word based problems, right? So today we will start from the first question of my practice time 5. What is the question? Question number 1. What must be added to 3162 to get 5090? Now you tell me, there are two numbers, right? 3162, and what is the other number? 505. Oh, okay. 50 5090. 5090, isn't it? Isn't these the number? Yes. Now look at these numbers. If you look at them, you will have a clear idea. If they are asking that what have to add here, what you have to add here such that it become this one. मुझे ये बताइए आप लोग, this number is bigger or this number is bigger? This is bigger number, right? Or large number, and this is what? A smaller number. That means you are given the smaller number and you are given the largest number. So you are asked to find another number, which is definitely what? You have to add this number to get this one. Oh, sorry, you have to add this number with this to get this number, right? So that means this is the highest number, yes or no? That means you have the highest number. How will you get this highest number? By adding two small numbers. But already one small number is given in the question and you are asked to find out the other small number. Again, what I told? Small number. Now tell me, how could we find the small number? How can we find a small number from a large number? Definitely, if I subtract, that means minus will give. Whenever you minus something, you will get a new number which is small. Yes or no? You get small number when you do subtraction. So you have to simply subtract here. What? You have to simply subtract here. From the larger number, you have to subtract what? The smaller number. Understood? You have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So how will you proceed here now? You tell me. Okay, look at question number 1. Sorry, it's not responding, this board. Question number 1. In question number 1, what is there? Look at the question. Simply the larger number. 5090, isn't? Then what is the smaller number? 3162, and you have to simply subtract. 0 minus 2, it is not possible, so you make it what? 10. It will become 8. Now 10 minus 2, you will get 8. Now 8 minus 6, you will get 2. Now 0 minus 1, again not possible. So what you will do? This will become 10. This will become 4. So 10 minus 1, you will get 9. And 4 minus 3, you will get 1. If it is not clear enough, then I will rub it and make it a bit wider. Okay, 5090. You have to subtract 3162. 2. Now I think it will be clearly visible for you. Now this will become 10. 10 minus 2 you will get 8. It will become 8. 8 minus 6 you will get 2. Yes, I think you are understanding. This will become 10. This will become 4. So 10 minus 1 you will get 9. 4 minus 3 you will get 1. So answer. Therefore the number to be added is how much? 1928. You have to write in this manner, okay, because it is a word problem. So I hope you understood. So I am going to rub it. Just copy this, okay. In the meantime, I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe my channel if you have yet not subscribed it, and also share my channel, share my videos as far as possible, as much as possible, such that all the students of class 3 of any school can get the help of this particular videos. Okay, if we share our knowledge, it will be very good for all. Now we will move to question number 2. Look at the question. There is a picture over there. If you look at that picture, you will see that there is a scenario. There is a scenario where there is a scenario where you will be able to what is there? Look at the scenario. In the scenario, there are how many mountains? How many mountains? Look at there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mountains are there, na? And heights of all the mountains, and the heights of all the mountains are quite different from each other. Yes or no? So what you have to do? You have to do nothing. You have to just take the values. What are the values? Look at the values. First of all, look at the values. There you will see it is as this question is a bit similar. There is a similarity between this type of questions. It is these type of questions are normally seen in what? In data interpretation. Okay, but in this question there are 3 sub questions are there. Okay, question number A, find the difference in height. Question number A, what is there? Find the difference in height. I am not going to draw the picture over here. You have to look at there in the book. Okay, now find the difference in height between the highest and the lowest peaks. If you look at there, the here you have to write question number 2. The height of the highest peak equals to how much? Look at the figure. 1850 meter will 1850 and 1 is there. Oh yes, 1850 meter will be the highest measure, na? Highest measure. So highest peak. So height of it will be what? 1850, right? Yes, 50. 1850 meter. Now you have to find the difference between. Difference means what? I have already told that the word difference means minus. That means the result of subtraction is known as difference. That means how will you get the result? After minus, after subtraction only you will get the result, right? Okay, now lowest, and you have to look at from the figure the height of the lowest or least, no, lowest, sorry, lowest lowest peak will be how much? Yes, see, look at the 1650 is the lowest. 1650 meter is the lowest. So you have to subtract because you need difference, na? So here. Therefore difference equals to, just minus here, 0 comma 0 or 0 minus 0 you will get 0, 5 minus 5 you will get 0, 8 minus 6 you will get 2, 1 minus 1 you will get 0. So we will not write at the extreme left, you will not write 0 at the extreme left position. Okay, so I hope this is the answer. I hope you understood, right? This will be the answer. Okay, now look at that. This is question number 2a. Now come to question number b, 2b. What is there? By how much is peak D taller than peak C? Look at that. So first, height of peak D equals to how much? Here written, see, 1850. D is 1850. 1850 meter. Yes. Now it is asking that D peak is how much taller. How much taller means you have to definitely, how much, if someone asks you how much, then that means you have to subtract how much. Okay, you have to subtract simply. So minus peak C. What is the height of? Again, height of peak C. What is the height of peak C? Look at the question figure. 1721. 1721. And you have to what? Subtract. Why? Because you are asking to find out by how much. यहाँ पे कुछ लिखना नहीं है, बस you have to subtract here first. 0 minus 1 impossible, so 10, it will become 4. Now 10 minus 1 it will 9, 4 minus 2 it will 2, 8 minus 1 8 minus 7 1, and 0 1 minus 1 0 meter. So you simply write here. Therefore peak D is higher or yes, taller than C by how much? By 129 meter. You have to write this sentence. Okay, I hope you got. Now question number C. What is there? By how much is peak A shorter than peak B? Which is shorter? Peak A is shorter, so I will write the smaller value later. I will write the first larger value. Write down height of peak B first. How much? Look at the question. Peak B 1827 meter. 1827 meter. And what is the height of peak A? What is the height of peak A? Peak A का height क्या है? 1650. 1650. So now again you have to subtract them, because how much asking na? So 7 minus 0 you will get 7. 2 minus 5 not possible, so you make it 12. It will become 7. Now 12 minus 5 you will get 7. 7 minus 6 you will get 1. 1 minus 1 it will become 0 in 1 meter. So write the same sentence as this one. Therefore peak A is shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter than peak B by 177 meter. Understood? I hope it is clearly visible and understood, right? So you just copy this question. I am just rubbing this board so that I can write another question, solve another question. Okay, now up to question number 2 we have solved. So I think there is no problem for you to understand up to here. Now we will move to the next question, the question number 3. In that question you will the question number 3 you will see. Okay, Okay. Now in question number 3, a box can hold what? A box can hold 670 buttons. एक box में 670 buttons can be hold. There are 478 buttons in the box. Then how many more buttons can we put in the box? This question, how many, asking now, whenever you see how many more, not only how many more, how many less, if someone asks like that, that means there will be more or less. Means what? More or less will be definitely find out how much, by how much, by how much more. These type of questions is a mere problem of what? Subtraction. So it is your homework. Question number 3, it is your homework. You will do it. Okay, I will not solve it here. Now question number 4, look at the question number 4. The sum of two numbers is 598. See question number 4. Question number 4. What is there? What is given in question number 4? Given. Question number 4, given. What is given? The sum of two numbers is given, right? Equals to how much given? 598. 598. Now I think one more number is given. If one of the numbers is 347, that means one of the numbers equals to 347, isn't it? Yes, 347. Now wait a minute, okay? Now since sum is given, always sum is greater number, yes or no? Sum is always a greater number. Whenever you add two number, you will get a greater number, of course, yes or no? If you add 5 plus 6, you will get 11, and 11 is always greater than 5 and 6. Okay, so that means 11 is given in this form. Understood? Can you relate that? That means larger number is given and one of the smaller numbers are given, and you have to find the other smaller number, right? Other smaller number. So for you have to find out, since you have to find out this another smaller number, that means how will you find it? Minus. Simply you have to do some kind of subtraction here. Okay, so you have to subtract, minus. You can keep it in bracket also, or you may not keep. It is your choice. Now what we will write here? The other number. It is what? The other number. Therefore the other number equals to, just subtract it. 8 minus 7 you will get 1. Yes. 9 minus 4 you will get 5, and 5 minus 3 you will get 2. So the other number will be definitely 251. So see how simple it is. Now question number 5. In a jar, एक jar में there are 213 toffees. How many more toffees can a shopkeeper put in it if the jar has a capacity of 620 toffees? Now capacity, the jar has the capacity of 620 toffees. That means inside the jar you can fill 620 toffees, but right now only 213 toffees are available. That means the capacity of jar is very large, but you have smaller amount now. If you add another smaller amount, then only the whole capacity will be, that means whole jar will be filled. Understood? That means again you are going to find a smaller number than the total capacity of the jar. Understood? So again you have to do what? Minus. So it is also a problem of minus subtraction. Okay, so I hope you have you have understood this question very well, right? So again, in question number 5, given part, what is given? What is given? Capacity of the jar, yes or no? Given, first write down capacity, the larger one you have to write, because you are, as already you come to know that it is a problem of subtraction. So capacity of jar will be larger, so you write down first capacity of jar. How much? 620 toffees, yes or no? You have to write this, okay? Otherwise they will not understand. 620 toffees capacity of jar. Now number of toffees, number of toffees filled now, or number of toffees in the jar, in the jar कितना है? 213, right? Yes, 213. You have to subtract this to get the other, yes or no? And what it is? It is toffees only, na? So now what you will do? Just subtract amount of toffees that can be filled more. ओके, और ज़्यादा कितना फिल कर सकते हैं? इसको माइनस करो, 10 से जाएगा ये, वो 0 से 3 नहीं जाएगा, तो 10 minus 3 you will get 7, it will become 1, so 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 6 minus 2 you will get 4. This is what? Toffees, isn't it? Yes or no? Of course. Now it is question number 5. Now come to question number 6. What is there in question number 6? Look at that. A fruit merchant, there is a fruit merchant supplies 5,689 apples to a market and 3,379 apples to market B. Market A, in market A, this fruit merchant supplies how much? 5,689 apples always supplied to market A. Then another amount of apples is being supplied to what? A market B every month. Now which market gets more apple and by how much? Definitely the question itself gives you the idea. Which market? Directly by looking at the question you can answer that. Which market gets more? Market A gets more, na? Therefore from the question it is clear, it can be clearly said, sorry, it can be clearly said that market A gets more what? Apples. APPLES. My ink is not good, though I think it is quite visible, right? It is visible. Okay, more. Okay, now this is the answer for first part, but now in second part what given? What is given? You have to find out how much more. Now number of apple, now you come to this number of apple got by what? Market A equals to, यहाँ पे लिखोगे market A get more ना, so you will get you will write it first. Then number of apple got by market B, isn't it? So market A में कितना है देखो 5 6 8 9 5 6 8 9 and market B 3 3 7 9 3 3 7 9 and you have to subtract because how many more by how much more asking na, so you have to subtract. If you subtract, this is the amount by which market A get more number of apples. Understood? हाँ यहाँ पे लिख देना, you just minus it. 9 minus 9 you will get 0. 8 minus 7 you will get 1. 6 minus 3 you will get 3. 5 minus 3 you will get 2. So this will be your answer. So now write down here. Therefore, market A gets more apple by 2310. Understood? So you write down this at the last. Or you can write market A gets two, 3, 1, 0 more apples. Yes or no? More apples than market B. I hope it is much better sentence. It will be. So you write down and try to copy this. Okay. And our last question. Last question. Read the question number 7. What is question number 7? See, there is a problem of merchants. There are passengers. Sorry, per passenger. There are 2,679 passengers at the New Delhi railway station. In the New Delhi railway station में कितना passengers? That much of passengers are there in the New Delhi platform. Yes or no? Platform or station. New Delhi railway station. It is a problem of railway station where the number of passengers are given in the question and you have to find you have to do some operations from where you can find out the answer. But in word problems, as we all know, that the statements are very important and very necessary also. Don't forget to write the statements. Okay, along with the questions you have to write down the question statements also. Along the answers you have to write down the statements properly. Okay, serially likhna hai usko. Okay, now what you have to do listen. In Delhi station, this much of passengers, out of them only 1606 boarded the trains for their destination. How many passengers are still waiting at the railway station? That means 2000 something दिया गया है, उनमें से 1600 तो डेस्टिनेशन पहुंच चुके हैं, लेकिन अब भी कितने बाकी हैं वहाँ पे वेटिंग कर रहे हैं? अब भी कितना लोग वहाँ पे स्टेशन में वेट कर रहे हैं? उसको निकालने के लिए वो तो डेफिनेटली कम अमाउंट होगा ना. दैट amount will be very less. That means that number of persons will become very smaller number of persons. So what you have to do, simply subtraction. But you write down first the larger one. What is the larger part? Question number 7. Question number 7. So in question number 7, what is there? Number of passengers at New Delhi railway station. Write down. Number of passengers P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S passengers at New Delhi station लिख दो बस equals to how much 2679 2679 now number of passengers boarded the train number of passengers boarded B-O-A-R-D-E-D boarded the train equals to how much 1606 1606 now you have to do what subtraction so take a line here and you write down here the other left hand side you will write what number of passengers still awaiting number of NUM number of passengers you write down I know that it is not clearly visible but I am telling you okay listen to my voice NUMBEROF of passengers 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 still 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 waiting WAITING or you can write awaiting also no problem equals to how much you will get subtract them 9 minus 6 you will get how much 9 minus 6 you will get 3 9 minus 6 you will get 3 then 7 minus 0 you will get what 7 minus 0 you will get 7 then 6 minus 6 you will get what 0 then 2 minus 1 1 so 1073 will be the answer I hope you all understood the remaining 5 questions we will solve in our next video and that will be the last video I hope so up to here if you have any doubt you may ask me in the comment section by putting any comment over there and till then till it is over since we will stop here our today's class so watch this video carefully more than one time such that you can clear all the doubts if you have any then till the next video you please take care of yourself such that we can meet again with healthy body stay fit and stay healthy be safe thank you